Now we have a special tool. This is our driving tool. It's been specially developed for keeping the fastener straight and square as we penetrate the side of the board. It's unique to the Sharkstooth system, and we supply one of these in every pack. The bulk packs have more than one, so every 250 units comes with one of these. Okay, so the perimeter board's been screwed off now. We've packed underneath it. It's now when we install our fastener, we have a 1mm shoulder here. The board's going to sit on top of that. We bring it in, position underneath the board right there. Now we have a Sharkstooth installation tool. We have an arrow on the tool. This indicates direction of the drive, and it's designed to sit on the joist, and it keeps the driving mechanism of the tool, keeps it square and even. You see the arrow pointing in the direction we want to go. It's a left and a right-handed tool, so it can sit on this side of the joist. But if, for instance, we wanted to install our Sharkstooth on this side of the joist, the tool simply flops over the joist, sits on the other side. So we go just with a hammer. I put a finger on the fastener itself to hold it in place and just guide the tool. And a couple of taps. I've got my weight. My weight is on the board, pushing down on the board, just driving that home, nice and easy, perfectly square, penetrates the side of the board. Very good. It's now ready to nail off. I'll do that for you as we sit. Taking a stainless steel nail we supply. You see I have to twist my hand. I've got my weight on top of the board, that's very important. And there's the nail there, ready to drive in. Pushing down, drive that puppy into the side of the joist. And away we go. Another row of Sharkstooth can be installed on this particular board.
I'll come behind, nail off.
So we were on this side, the original tooth here. We now want to swap over, so our one Sharkstooth on this joist is going to now be on this side. So we've swapped over. Bring my tool, direction of the arrow, stuff like that, keep my weight on top, and drive that in. Once it's there, again, keep my weight on the board, pressing down, take my stainless steel screw that we supply, the lower part, the lower hole, the lower round hole, now the fastener off to the side of the joist. Go. A little bit of our joist is missing, but that's okay. Sharkstooth is totally capable of straddling that. Bring the tool in to place, keep it all nice and square. Remember, keep that weight down on the edge of the board, and in she goes. Okay, no problem. Still plenty of meat left underneath that to install the nail.